My name's Rachel, I'm 26 years old. I live in Solva. Until 2 weeks ago I was living in a holiday let, and in 2 years that would have been my 8th move. So I've lived in people's second homes, holiday lets, lived in a caravan for 12 months, including a full winter. And so it's just like constantly scrambling, trying to find accommodation, and that has a massive impact on everything, the support you can offer your family and your own well-being. Within the last 2 years we've seen more than ever so many empty houses which are predominantly second homes, and then an immense amount of young people just being unable to find accommodation. So lots of my friends are living in caravans, yurts, teepees, just because we can't afford to rent, let alone buy. Houses aren't even going on the market, they're being purchased straight away. A house just up the road sold within 3 days for over $500,000. That's not even a big house, that's not even a fancy house, but we can't afford that. No one can, not around here. And how do you compete, especially if you're one person, if you don't have a partner, especially here the wage isn't relative to the cost of housing at all, like not even close. You grow up here and then you're told, you follow sort of the standard route, you go to university, you get the degree, and you think that you'll be able to come back and live around your family and live in Wales, especially with the language, the culture, and you feel like you've done the right things, and you still can't buy anything. You can't even rent anywhere. It's so difficult to find anywhere to rent because it's all holiday lets or Airbnbs. What's happened more and more is that people have gone to university and they've just not come back because they can't. What the impact on our communities then is, it's like our old people are more isolated, our families aren't connected, our language deteriorates, our culture deteriorates. People are bored here because they love the coastal area and they love these quirky little communities. But the irony is that if we continue at the rate we're going, there's going to be no community left. It's not as simple as one solution, and it's definitely not going to be solved overnight, but it's about opening up that conversation and how do we find the solution that kind of works best for as many people as possible.